Business ideas I wish I knew last year to upskill my financial life. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, all we do here is to share financial tips to practice, and we look out for what works well, and we come here and share it with you guys so that we all can actually upskill our financial life. With that being said, guys, if this looks like something that you actually want to be a part of, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and also turn on the post notification. Now let's dive right into this video. So last year was a roller coaster of events for each and every one of us, be it in a positive way or in a negative way. We all have had our shares of 2024 last year. Now, for me, these are the businesses that we actually do well in 2025 that I wish I knew in 2024, and I've actually taken action on them. I would have actually made more money in 2024. So the first thing that we'll be looking at is called real estate. Now, a lot of you think real estate is actually until when you have money. No, real estate is actually you selling other people's property. Now, there are different niches under real estate. You can decide to become an agent, become a property owner and sell, or become a rental, whatever services. Now, niche we're actually looking at under real estate is actually you selling online. Now, the first thing you actually have to do is to create a TikTok account. We all know that TikTok account is the trending page or the trending account that can easily blow you up in no time in this online space. So now, after then, you go around your environment. You have to look for houses that are mostly newly built. Yes, mostly newly built, and the landlords are looking for people to occupy them. Now, you create captivating videos about these locations, about these houses. You make sure that you capture every good details about these houses, and then you post it on your social media page. By then, you have interesting music that you can actually use to, make everything balance. Right now, a lot of people are actually looking for houses that they can rent and what they can use to actually upscale their, financial life or to look good. Now, you connect the tenants with the landlord and you get your commission. It is as simple as that. Now, a lot of you do not know the best option is to go into short-let apartment. It is quite easy. You can do the normal rentage, but normally the short-let apartment will actually give you more money. The next thing right now is, we're actually looking for how to make money with no investment. So I will be talking about our businesses you can actually start with zero investment. Yes, you do not need any investment to start up these businesses. These are businesses that you can do here in Nigeria or in Africa without any investment. Now, the next thing is mobile phones. Now, there are a lot of mobile phone shops around you that you can easily walk up to, discuss with the manager. Oh, sorry, please, I want to start working for you as an affiliate. I will make videos of your phones and I will upload it. Remember, the best place to start up that will be your TikTok account. Yes, that will be the best place to start that up, your TikTok account. So when you meet with the manager, you discuss with that manager. So you are able to record their phones, camera, snap their phones, make research about that particular phone and then post it online. You can post one single video maybe like 2-3 times with different sounds and then different video formats. I'm sure that you definitely get sales with that because people are definitely looking for best phones that they can buy, how to change their mobile phones, how to get flash drives, how to get the best charger for their mobile phones. A lot of us do not know this, but if you are able to capture that moment, tell us the best mobile phone, the best charger for our different phones, the best flash drive for our different phones, definitely you will make sales because people will want to get that from you since you said it is the best. So the next one we have here is POS. Yes, POS. Now, a lot of us do not know that you can actually start your POS business without any cash. You heard me. All you have to do is to present reliable market women, especially market women or big, company around you where they actually make sales and have a lot of cash. You have to actually go to them with an elderly person who can stand as your guarantor. Yes, it's an elderly person who can stand as your guarantor. Discuss with them and let them know that if they give you cash, you will not run away, and then you have to be trustworthy. and reliable. Discuss with them that if they give you cash, you will not run away with the cash. All you have to do is to make your POS stand beside them. Yes, make your POS stand beside them. They will give you cash for you to do your POS business. After the normal day's transaction, you transfer that money, the same amount they've given you, you transfer it into their own bank account where you keep your own POS charges as your own interest or as your own gain. So that is how you do POS business without any investment. Yes, but you have to have a guarantor, someone that will actually stand in for you with them, because especially market women, they know they agree. Market women, no. But if you have a guarantor, maybe a well-known individual in the market, it will actually make that easy for you. This one is selling fashion wears. Now, selling fashion wears, the only thing you have to do here is to make sure you travel. Yes, you have to travel. Either you go to Idumota or you go to Yaba or a fashion or Aba, anywhere that you know is closer to you. Once you get there, you need your mobile phone to actually take different images and different videos. Especially make sure you video it that it is the market. So now when you have a full video that this is a big market and people can get items for wholesale prices, all you need to do is to create a TikTok account and start posting those videos as short clips. Now reach out to suppliers of different wares that you have actually videoed their wares. Get their contacts, let them add you to their WhatsApp group. Yes, let them add you to their WhatsApp group or their wholesale Telegram group, whichever one. Now when they add you, you start reposting all the things they post. Definitely they will actually be posting all the items with their prices. So you start reposting all the things they post. The same thing goes for handbags, for shoes, for any fashion items. Yes, for fashion items, you can actually, for handbags and shoes, you can actually visit trade fair. For ads, maybe extension, anything, you can also visit trade fair or Idumota. So you make sure that you get your contact that day. It is a one-day trip. Get your contact that same day. Get all the videos that you can get. Use different angles and make sure you are a little bit. Make sure you are careful with your phone. Yes, make sure you're careful with your phone, because once you're in the market, anything can happen. Reposting on your page. Any TikTok account that has a market vlog, believe you me, people always tend to ask questions. Where can I get this? Where did you get it from? Please do this for us. Please say blah 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 blah. So if you have watched this video to this very end, let me know which of the businesses you actually intend to go into in the comment section. Let me know which one you have actually tried before and you don't really like it, or you tried before and it is actually very profitable for you. Now the last but not the least, yes, the last but not the least is animal farming. Yes, animal farming. Now animal farming isn't that, how will I put it, isn't really much of a thing online, but then again, some people make a lot of money from them having it online. Yes, so all you have to do is to get a farm, maybe a pig farm, a cattle farm, a chicken farm, anyone around you. Get a farm, beg the owner to allow you make beautiful videos, put in transitions, talk stories about animals, then you upload it on your TikTok. As you all know, TikTok is our go-to because it is the fastest way to reach thousands of people. And then we also have YouTube. You can create a channel around farming, a channel around animal farming. So once you upload it, people will tend to ask you, maybe what breed is this animal, which animal is this. You have to also make your research about that particular animal you intend to go into, or that particular animal niche you intend to go into. Now when you have all those things in place, all you have to do is to post it. Now no video is a waste. No video is a waste. Any animal video that you have, even if the animal is sleeping, post it. If the animal is eating, post it. Any video that you have, do well to post it. From there, people want to, patronize you, and when they do, these are businesses I have actually done before. People have patronized me on these businesses. In fact, this particular last one I'm sharing with you, I am currently doing the business. Yes, I am currently doing the business, and people are patronizing me online. And I'm making my money, my cool money. In fact, it is a low-key money, so I'm making that money on the side. So if you are looking to invest, or if you're looking to start up businesses like that, please do well to consider any of these 5 business ideas I have actually shared that requires no investment from you. with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Let me know which of the businesses you will actually be looking out for in this year 2025. See you guys.